explosive, and I'm a brick. You fell for it. I can see the camera. Where's the camera? What? What? Hi. Today I'm gonna make a video, and I don't know what this video is gonna be about, but I don't know. My sister put this thing on, and then it stayed. And I'm gonna make a and I don't wanna mess it up for her, cause I did this for her, and I don't wanna take it off, and then she's gonna start screaming. But tell me if I don't look creepy. Just kidding. Okay. No, I just wanna say hi. I got a lot of views on one of my videos, and I'm just gonna say thanks for seeing me. I don't think, and yeah, just thanks. And you should check out Josue's videos. They're pretty funny too. And if you hear music, I start hearing it. But yeah, check out Josue's video, Josue Seseña. It's pretty cool. See you guys later.